Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert and format a table in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize data, create structured layouts, or present information clearly within your emails. Let's walk through this together. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in so you have access to all your email tools and features. This is the foundation we need before we can start working with tables. Once your emails have loaded, we'll access your email composition tools. Look towards the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you'll have access to all the formatting and insertion tools Outlook offers. It's from this screen that we'll be able to add and customize our table. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of your window. You'll see several tabs available, and you want to click on Insert. This tab contains all the objects and elements you can add to your email, including images, attachments, signatures, and of course, tables. Once you click on Insert, you'll directly see the table option right there in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on it. A table customization menu will appear, giving you a couple of ways to create your table. You can insert your table by hovering over the grid to select dimensions visually, which is great for quick, simple tables. Alternatively, you can click on Insert Table to manually type in your desired number of columns and rows. This second method gives you more precise control, especially if you need a larger or more specific table structure. Choose whichever method works best for your needs and insert the table into your email. Now let's talk about formatting your table to make it look professional and polished. Once your table has been added to your email, you'll notice a new tab appears at the top part of your screen called Table Design. Click on this tab to access all the formatting options available for your table. From here, you have extensive control over how your table looks. You can change the table styles completely, adjust the border color and size to match your branding or preference, or choose from existing styles and colors available in the Table Styles drop-down menu. These preset options can save you time while ensuring your table looks clean and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and formatted a table in Outlook, making your emails more structured and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.